Hi, Electron John from AST here. Today I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been working on a vehicle and you had some type of camera and you did the diagnostics on it? Customer brought the car to you because camera wasn't working, obviously, whether it's a backup camera or some of the more basic versions of ADAS cameras. And you can check the powers and the grounds and stuff along those lines, but once you get to a point, there's really no good way to check the actual camera. So you think you need a camera, but instead of going through the time and the cost or expense of actually replacing the camera, it'd be great for you to be able to guarantee that a new camera was going to fix it. I wanted to just share with you this camera tester that I have. It's available on my website, and this is a CCTV camera tester. But what I did is I put a little twist on it and I made some automotive type of leads to go along with it so that we can benefit from the ability to use a tool like this in our regular automotive diagnostics and repairs. What I got here is just a regular auto parts store style backup camera. Obviously this particular camera is going to need 12 volts. Well, the nice thing about this tester, it can output either a 12 volt or a 5 volt signal depending on the type of lead that you're going to plug into it. So 5 volt you're going to be using this lead, 12 volt I already have set up. So real quick, if I went through the diagnostics on my car and I thought that the backup camera for this example here was actually faulty, I would just go ahead. I know I need to give it 12 volts. The backup camera, most of them will use some type of RCA style jack. So I take the lead from the kit that I put together for the RCA style jack, and I'm just going to hook up the 12 volt power to it. And once I hook the 12 volt power up to it, I should display a picture on the screen of whatever this camera happens to be seeing. So you can kind of see from the actual camera tester that it is actually showing whatever the camera happens to be pointing at this point. And you can use this, like I said, on all backup cameras, whether they're on the actual vehicle itself, or these are very popular, as you know, for trailers to have backup cameras on them. Some of the ADAS cameras that can go ahead and output a camera type of signal, you can use it for testing those cameras as well. Now you'll have to use some of the other leads because those are probably going to be shared along the CAN data bus network. So with the leads that I kind of put together here, it's a great tool to help you, solidify that you've diagnosed that it is in fact a bad camera before you go through replacing them. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video, and hopefully you found this video of value here. And remember, if you're interested in the camera tester, to visit www.electron-john.com and you'll get to find out a lot more about them. Thanks for watching.